Hello my people, welcome back to this channel. This is Big Footage. If you are just viewing for the first time, this is a platform where we show you how to make shoes so that you yourself can try something out on your own. If you are just viewing for the first time as well, please do it to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share as well. Okay, today I'm taking you through the process of how I made this shoe, or let me say a half shoe sandal. So stay tuned. Let's see what we've got. Okay, yeah, back to business. So we have our pattern already. This is the pattern being used for the job, and we have the strap. Everything is being attached together with it. So yeah, we place our pattern on our leather and our material. We mark it out. As you can see what we are doing here. After marking it out, we cut out what we mark that on the material, and we proceed with our work. Okay, like I said, I have a Telegram channel that I do post tips and little things about about shoes, and if I have a distress sales, it will be on the on the platform, and you can always reach out to us on all our social media platform as well. If you'd like to be part of the business, you want to be a reseller, or you would like to buy from us. We are located in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, and our link is below the video. The link to our Telegram channel, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's below the video. Okay, so let's see what we have now on this in this video. Okay, so this is our result after cutting out. We have the cap already. It's just a normal cap. You can just pick. We picked one of our cap, and we draw out the pattern. It's not something that, so it requires taping. We tape both the main shoe, the shoe, and the cap as well, the body of the shoe, and also the cap as well. We tape it together. So after taping, we all know the next step, whereby we fold the taping. So let's follow the video, and let's see how it is being done, what we have next in the video. Okay, here we apply gum after taping, as you can see. Then tape it together. So after taping together, we all know how we fix our cap is being fixed on a shoe. So we applied gum on the area where we are going to fix our cap, and also the cap itself. As you can see here, we applied gum on it. So after applying gum, we fix. We begin to fix. We fix the two together. We join the cap alongside with the body of the shoe. I don't know what to call the shoe. Okay, it's not a shoe, like I said. It's a half shoe sandal. So, or let me just say sandal per se. So whichever one we call it, or we want. So you can just call it whatever you want. Okay, and there's something different about this. About this shoe, we will see as we follow the video. We'll see later. Okay, so we have our cap. Yeah, we have our strap. Yeah, as you can see, we are fixing our strap alongside with the body of the shoe. After joining the cap we sew, which is the normal thing. If you have been following our content for a while now, I'm very sure you should know the next step when it comes to shoemaking. As I do say, everything about shoe is step by step. You can't finish, you can't undo one and come back to it later. No, you have to finish the particular step before jumping, before going into another one. So after fixing our cap we sew, which is normal thing. So after sewing, before lining, we have to fix our strap, which is the strap buckle, and also the strap that we are going to the strap buckle here in general. So that is what we are doing here. We fix the buckle, we fix the strap buckle, and after that we line it. We apply little gum on it, and we line it. So after lining, let's see our outcome. Okay, here we have it after lining. We all know how lining is done, but there's a difference between this one and the normal half shoe, and the difference is when we get there, I will let you know. Okay, so we lining our shoe. After lining, we sew here. After sewing, we all know what we do next. We trim the excess part of the sewing of the lining. So after trimming, here we have our result. Okay, the open space, the open part of the half shoe of the sandal, we have to cut it out. We have to pierce it out and give it the normal design. If you've been wondering how it's been done, here we have how it is being done. So this is what we are doing. As you can see here, we are trying to, the area is being marked already. It's been done at the beginning of the video. So here we are trying to create the design. We are trying to open the space to bring out the exact design we are making. So let's see how it's being done. As you can see what we are doing in the video. Okay, yeah, we have our logo already, which is a ready-made logo. We can't do that, as we all know that. Okay, we have our ready-made logo already, and we have our strap. It's been shown earlier. So we pierce our strap, in which we are going to apply our logo. We are making on our strap. Okay, so after that we fix our logo. So after fixing our logo, we join alongside with the body of the shoe. So let's see what we have next after fixing the logo. Okay, yeah, we all know we have to apply little gum on it so that it will be easy for us to file and filing. So we trim, we make sure it is in the right place, the right part of the shoe, and it doesn't go beyond the space, the open space, the design of the shoe. So we apply little gum on it. After applying gum on it, we fix the logo, the strap logo. So after fixing, as you can see here, after fixing we sew. And you always need to be careful when fixing or when doing one or two things when it comes to shoe, because the same thing that is done to the right leg should be done to the left leg. Same thing done to the left leg should be done to the right leg, and it must be unique and it must correspond together. So always take note when making your shoe or slide or whichever one. Okay, so let's see what we have next on here. Okay, here after fixing we sew. Like I said, after sewing we follow the next step. We follow the next step, and let's see what we have next. Okay, here we sew. After sewing we trim the excess part of the leather of the after sewing we need to give it a clean and a neat job. So we do the normal thing, and we move on to the next step. Okay, here we have our insole being prepared already. As you can see, it's we have to fold it all around. We fold everything all around, all together. So here we have our the shoe sandal, the half shoe sandal already. It's been prepared as well. We file and we apply gum, and we move on to the next step, which is the lasting process. As you can see, it doesn't require front stay. Yeah, this is what I was talking about earlier. It doesn't require front stay. You just have to last everything like that, and couple it at once. It doesn't require front stay. So that's how the design is being done. Okay, maybe you're asking why it doesn't require front stay. We all see the design, what the design says, and we make space on the design. So there's no how a front stay will stay or will sit on the front edge of the shoe. It won't stay. We won't have to reduce our front stay because we want to apply front stay. And again, as the design implies, it's just like a sandal. Like I said, the sandal shoe. So I can't really call it a sandal, and I can't really call it a half shoe. But let's just put it in sandal category. So, and you can't apply front stay in the sandal unless the design implies, like I said, like I do say. So here we have it, and we fix we couple everything together. After we couple it together, we do the normal thing in getting the area we are going to file so that we can apply our our sew. Okay, and I'm very sure you've been wondering why we haven't applied our buckle. Okay, here after lasting, we need to adjust to see where we are going to apply our buckle, so that we won't have excess of the strap. So that's why we have to pin that place down, and after that we applied our buckle and we applied the sew already. Here we have our half shoe sandal. It's been done. So thank you for staying tuned. See you guys next time. Shalom.